Let's unbox a food box from a mobile food pantry. There's Hope for the Hungry. That's who provided this. They're an evangelical group who provides food for those in need when times are tough, times are tight, and they spread the word. They spread the word. Inside, when you open it up, you'll see a little sheet where you can scan a QR code or look at the website, go to the website, learn more about their mission. But we're here just to see what comes in there. First thing, super exciting. Those are chickpeas. They don't even have chickpeas at Walmart out here. So that was exciting. Whole pound of chickpeas. Big bag of rice. Big bag of pasta, spaghetti noodles. Very nice. We've got some applesauce here. You're going to see these things are well-rounded nutrition that won't spoil. No salt added. Diced tomatoes. Very nice. Corn, can of corn. Very nice. No salt added, keeping it healthy. Green beans. We've got the low sodium green beans. Excellent. No salt added diced tomatoes 2 times. Very good. More green beans. Gotta love it. Cream of chicken soup, condensed soup. That's pretty awesome. Now this is deep sea red salmon. That's Alaskan sockeye. Big can of that. That's a lot of protein. More corn, that's excellent. Some more red salmon, that Alaskan sockeye red salmon. Very nice, protein, lots of protein. It's kind of like tuna, but not like tuna. More cream of chicken, condensed soup, that's excellent. Black beans, fiber, protein. And we'll round it out with more black beans. And I'll tell you what's not in here because there was a big big bag of pistachios. I must have had those pistachios for a few days waiting to record this video. And I ate them all. But it was over at least a pound of pistachios. But I think it was like 2 pounds of pistachios and it was amazing. So that's what you can expect to get in a box right now, a food box from There's Hope for the Hungry. Go ahead and check them out. Maybe there is a way you can donate or find out how you can get help from There's Help for the Hungry. Hope for the Hungry.